Now, I request President, Aeronautical Society of India, Dr. G. Satish Reddy sir, to please deliver welcome address.
Namaskar. Honorable Raksha Mantri Sri Rajnath Singh Ji, Honorable Chief Minister of the State of Telangana Sri Revant Reddy Garu, Chairman DRDO, Secretary Defence R&D Dr. Samir Kamath, Director General Missiles and Strategic Systems Sri Raja Babu, Kalam Institute of Youth Excellence Sri Naresh, and all the eminent people who are here, and the students, namaskar to you, good morning and very good afternoon to all of you. At the outset, let me welcome our Honorable Raksha Mantri Sri Rajnath Singh Ji. Sri Rajnath Singh Ji is a master's in physics. He has taught in a university the physics to the students. He loves science. He loves scientists. He has been appreciating the scientists' scientific development always. When we approached him saying that we will have a conclave of the students, he said, I encourage you, go ahead with the program. And he is here with us. We welcome Sri Rajnath Singh Ji. All of you with great applause. Please welcome our Raksha Mantri Sri Rajnath Singh Ji. Great applause please. All of you. Now I welcome our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Revant Reddy Ji. He has been giving full support to us in the science and technology. He has been giving all appreciation to us, and when this program was planned, immediately he said, take the stadium. And then he discussed with the scientists what is his vision in science and technology for the state, and said, you go ahead, I am there with you. We welcome the Honorable Chief Minister Sri Revant Reddy Ji. I also welcome Secretary Defence R&D Dr. Samir Kamath and other dignitaries, the eminent personalities who have come here, the officials of the Government of India, officials of the State of Telangana, and industrialists who are present here. I also welcome, most importantly, today, the large number of students who have gathered here, more than 30,000 students, for this occasion. I welcome you with love and affection. Friends, on this day, 28th February, we celebrate National Science Day, which happens to be the revelation of the discovery of Raman's effect on 28th February in 1928. So on this occasion, we thought we should celebrate here Vignan Vaibhav 25 in Hyderabad, DRDO, the Defence Research and Development Organization, the Aeronautical Society of India, Kalam Institute of Youth Excellence have worked and brought this program to this shape and brought all of you here, huge number of people. I heard there are many people outside the stadium also, as they could not enter into the stadium. Welcome you all. There is a huge exhibition established here outside. The DRDO and industries have put all the defense equipment in a big way. There are missiles, there are tanks, there are bombs, there are many guns, many things. I request all of you to go there, to get inspired and see all the things, and also bring all your friends from your colleges, your teachers, lecturers and parents for the next 3 days. And the theme of this Science Day is empowering the Indian youth for global leadership in science and innovation for Viksit Bharat. This program is organized to inspire you to come out with great scientific revelations and make the country a leader in science and technology. That is why Honorable Raksha Mantri has come all the way from Delhi for this program, and our Chief Minister, Sri Revanth Reddy ji, is also here. Thank you very much, everyone. I thank Honorable Raksha Mantri, I thank Honorable Chief Minister, and all of you welcome this program and make it a great success for the next 3 days. Thank you.